Here's just a short tribute to Debbie Reynolds, and here's one of her albums from the 50s. Here's an album cover of Debbie I have in my kitchen from the 50s. Here's kind of a family affair trio of autographs. There's Debbie Reynolds' autograph, and right next to her, her daughter Carrie Fisher's autograph, and right next to her, her father Eddie Fisher's autograph. Thanks, Mary, for coming up with that idea for me to do that. Here's an original Movie Land magazine from the mid-50s with Debbie on the cover. Here's a Modern Screen magazine from 1956 with a great shot of Debbie on the cover. Here's Eddie Fisher and Debbie Reynolds on the cover of Modern Screen when they were America's Sweethearts. Here's just some close-ups of some magazine pictures. There's a really pretty color picture from the 50s. There's another color one from the 60s. There's a close-up of Debbie Reynolds from The Rat Race in 1960. There she is with Tony Curtis from the same film. And finally, two of my favorite Debbie Reynolds films. First one, The Tender Trap with Frank Sinatra. And of course, the classic musical, Singin' in the Rain. Well, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.